In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see who is overloaded in Goodday. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look at so you can quickly identify team members who have too much on their plate and adjust workloads before it becomes a problem. Let's get started inside your Goodday workspace. Make sure you're already in the project or workspace where you want to review workloads. At the top of the screen, look for the toolbar where different views and tools are listed. On that bar, you'll see a small plus sign icon. This plus sign is how you add new views and access more tools. Go ahead and click on the plus sign above the main project area. When you click that plus sign, a drop-down or menu panel will open, showing you different categories of views you can add. From here, you're looking for the section related to planning and capacity. In this menu, find and click on Planning and Resources. This area is designed specifically to help you plan work across your team and see how tasks are distributed, so it's the perfect place to check who might be overloaded. After selecting Planning and Resources, you'll see several view options that focus on team planning. Among these, look for the option called Workload. This view is dedicated to showing you how much work each team member has over a given period of time. Go ahead and click on Workload. Once you open the workload section, Goodday will display a visual overview of users and their assigned tasks, usually organized along a timeline. Here, you can scan through the list of team members and see how tasks are spread out across days or weeks. Overloaded users might be highlighted, or you may notice their timelines are fully packed or flagged based on effort estimates and capacity settings. This is where you'll spend time analyzing who might need support, who has room for additional tasks, and whether deadlines need to be adjusted. To make this easier to access in the future, you'll want to save what you're seeing as a reusable view. In the workload area, look for the option that says Add View.